Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium hydroxide. Before we begin, it is absolutely crucial to prioritize safety. Potassium hydroxide is extremely corrosive, so always wear robust gloves and eye protection. Ensure you work in a well-ventilated area. We will be combining potassium carbonate and calcium hydroxide to create our desired compound, following a straightforward chemical process. The core of this process is a double displacement reaction. When potassium carbonate and calcium hydroxide are mixed in water, their ions swap partners. This creates potassium hydroxide, which remains dissolved, and calcium carbonate, which is insoluble. The calcium carbonate will then precipitate out as a fine white solid, making it easy to separate from our desired product. To begin the practical steps, dissolve approximately 100 grams of potassium carbonate in about 500 milliliters of distilled water. Next, slowly add around 75 grams of calcium hydroxide to this solution, stirring constantly to ensure thorough mixing. Gently heat the mixture to about 80 degrees Celsius for roughly 30 minutes. This heating helps the reaction proceed efficiently and encourages the calcium carbonate to settle. After heating, carefully filter the hot solution to separate the solid calcium carbonate. You will be left with a clear liquid containing dissolved potassium hydroxide. Gently evaporate the water from this liquid using low heat until solid potassium hydroxide crystals remain. Remember, potassium hydroxide is highly hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. Therefore, store your final product in a tightly sealed, airtight container to maintain its purity and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.